Okay. Okay. Hi. So today I'll tell you mostly about if else conditions. No, actually, if, elif, and else conditions. So first of all, what is an if condition? Oh wait, I forgot to say something. So you have to watch my video about comparative operators and logical operators. The link will be in the description. Okay, first, what are if conditions? If conditions are like, remember when we did the comparative operators with something like blah blah blah, and it's false because this is not in this. Well, we could also use an if loops like this. If yeah, n wait, let me first say a variable. Variable equals to grapple. I don't know what this is, but I just use it. Okay. Grapple. Blah, blah. Yeah, I don't know what that is. So if in variable, then print is in variable else. Print, there we go. Forget about the end string. How else works? So it's basically like, so you remember we said this? Well, didn't really explain what else is. So else is the thing you do, like you say if this thing in the variable, and else says if it's not in the variable, like it's just the opposite of whatever the if thing is. So if this thing is not in variable, then you could write, yeah, so else, so you could write else is the opposite of the if statement. Well, yeah, else is the opposite opposite of the if statement. I mean, that's true because it's false. Right? Yeah, is in variable. If you write gh in the middle is not in the variable. I mean, it's not. So it's basically, yeah. If you but if you don't want to write print for if loops, you could do something like return false. I mean, actually, it's supposed to be return true. Should work. And wait. Let's just print. This might be in a different type of Python, but still. Okay, it's false. Yeah, that's all I can say. How to add how many? So like, let's copy the statement. Next, well, instead of doing the statement, let's say 1. Actually, let's say 100. So let's write something like if variable actually let's say test score. So for average, if test score is equals to or less, and actually is greater than or equals to 90%, then print you have passed. Oh yeah, for the if loops, you could also say elif test score equals to 90. I mean, if test score equals to 90, I mean, they would both print you have passed. I mean, yeah. So yeah, it would print both. But if you wanted to write elif, like elif test score equals to 90, it would always print the 1 in the front. So for this case, since the if loop is right now in the front, then it would print the if loop and not the elif loop. But how much elif can we add? Well, you can basically add as much as you want so far. Let's write a condition for that. Elif